Hello everyone, my name is Mayank Verma and this is my portfolio website. If you scroll down and move to Power BI projects, you will see. So basically, these are the different projects that I've made, and they are like live dashboards that you can see. A lot of projects are there, like more than 10 projects. The one that I wanted to show today is involving stocks. Basically, it's some money market dashboard that I recently made. So this is like the going to load everything live here. You do not have to navigate anywhere, but just in case you want to see on the Power BI service directly, click on the link here. It has like a link icon. These are like the snapshots. What were the key USPs? So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to match like multi-asset integration, and it's going to have intuitive timelines and clean navigation and the theme toggle button that I wanted to use. So every place I used to see, like there is like dark mode, light mode, and how I could integrate something in my own dashboard. So it's loading. I took some US stocks and like Apple, Amazon, Google, Ford. We can use an API to achieve the latest data. I did not use that in this one. I used a couple of APIs in my Google uh, keyword trends one. This is just like a pet project, but I wanted to show some of the capabilities that I was able to achieve with this dashboard. So I took a time frame of 3-4 years and then just loaded the data for this one. But of course, yes, we can use the APIs. So these are different objects. Like if I click on Amazon, we'll see the Amazon chart pop up here. Let's say Ford, and let's say Google. All right, and these are the main thing. Like this is the dark mode, and if you see, let's say 3 months, yeah. So this is the movement for the Google stock for 3 months, and this is like the dark mode. This is like the light mode. So this is acting as a toggle button. We have Infosys. So Infosys, we can see for the last 5 days how it performed. In the last 3 months, how the stock performed. It's in an upward rally. IT stocks, I love them. Then Intel, another thing. Colgate. Intel is kind of slacking behind uh, Nvidia. Nvidia should be top up. So the graph is showing for 2024 pretty stagnant. Let's say for a year, how it performed up and down for the last year. So basically, these are the different time frames we can analyze the dashboard. It's pretty sleek, and basically we have like 5 pages. This that was the stocks. Then I had basically replicated the same framework to get crypto dashboard. We have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Leo, and other different coins. So we'll say, let's say in 3 months, this was how the Bitcoin performed. We can see from 2019. And if I just wanted to get into dark mode, and yes, this is how it looks. We have all the different data for all the different cryptocurrencies. Nice how we can track our funds and basically our favorite stocks. This is like the ETFs, we the different ETFs that operate in the US stock market, and we can see their performance as well for the last 1 year, 5 year, and different time frames. And this is like the mutual fund thing. So how the mutual fund performed for the last 5 years, we can check. So basically, mutual funds release their data once in a day, so it's not like a actively traded commodity. So basically, you'll see just a one line here, unlike Bitcoin ETFs, which are continuously traded. So that that's like a difference. So for 5 years, from 5 days. This is how the data is for triple Q. And basically we are not showing any prices. I could show the data points. This and the last one is the currency dashboard. I just wanted to show the trend basically, not really interested about the actual price, what per se. And this is mostly show of my capability of what I could achieve when I'm using Power BI capabilities to showcase my uh, skills on that. If I just quickly take you to the PBIX file of how I achieved this, basically there's like few tables that I made to achieve the um, theme, dark and light theme, and then of course this is one of the uh, visualizations, the new card that I'm using, a button slicer, and this is a candlestick by OKViz that I downloaded from Get More Visuals. To achieve this, there were a few more, but I liked this one. And these were the images that I loaded up from the symbols. I had everything in Excel. Quickly show you. So basically, stock and images. These were the stock images. We could basically use something to upload this ones, and then if you see this tracker, I had a file for 2019 to 24. So basically I'm loading the symbols, the type, like whether uh, control shift L. So just quickly do it. These are the different pages that I made, and basically post image is something where we can just upload an image and get the URL, and then we can probably use a new tool to show that. Going back, yeah, so probably this is how I made it. Thank you.